Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs, and it is another sunny, beautiful day in December, and whenever it is nice, I take advantage and go outside. And I actually go outside when it's not nice because getting fresh air, exercise, and movement is so good for you. So I'm an herbalist, and I teach people how to use plants and know plants and grow them. And in today's video, because it's so beautiful, I'm going to share with you some sage. This is Salvia officinalis, and it is still growing pretty nicely here. When it gets below freezing and frost at night, it will get kind of crispy, but it will recover during a sunny day and still be here. So I have other videos where I show you can take the leaves and clean your teeth. This is one of my favorite ways to use this plant. It's very fragrant and it is very good for gum and oral health, and because of its rough skin here, it makes a great toothbrush. Sage is very, very fragrant. Sage has been known to be a woman's herb and can be balancing to the women's cycle when you drink it as a tea on a regular basis. So my favorite way to use herbs, and I share this a lot, is as fresh herbal teas. So when you take the leaves, you can crush them or bruise them a little bit, put them in a cup, and pour boiling water over top and cover with the lid and steep. And that is the most pure, most delicious way, I think, to enjoy teas. And it is definitely the least amount of processing. And sage also is very antiviral, antibacterial, so good for wintertime colds and flus. And I'm going to say you need to get a good quality though of anytime you use an herb. Your sage from the grocery store might be delicious, and I would use in a pinch, or if I had nothing else, for sure. But you want to buy good quality herbs, and I have links for Mountain Rose Herb in my description, and also I like Star West Botanicals, and you can get them or their herbs at Amazon. So one little story or little snippet that I heard from Rosemary Gladstar in one of her books is, where rosemary grows and thrives, the woman is strong, and where sage grows and thrives, the man is strong. Now, I don't know, that's probably a little folklorish myth, but it's funny if you compare the people who have strong sage and strong rosemary. And at my house, this is not my house, I have strong rosemary, and at my mother's house, she has some really strong, nice sage plants. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you are growing your own herbs, and if you're not, you can start growing them right now inside. They like sunny windows. And hit the like button and the subscribe button and come back for another video. Thanks.